I'm on a plane. Shut up, Kyle.
Look at these. Fuck, I thought that was Hulk Hogan right there at the bottom. Fucking Julie.
Hulk Hogan now.
I thought it was Hulk Hogan.
What do you know, brother? What do you know?
It's not like fucking Donald Trump and Hulk Hogan.
I don't want to do that.
We don't get all these immigrants out, brother.
Gonna make a big money, my brother. Big money.
We smashed down the White House, brother.
I'm making a $12 million ballroom, brother. Ballroom, brother.
That's the bottom line, 'cause I'm Stone Cold Toad Austin. Oh, and gas station, let's go.
Stone Cold Toad Austin.
I've not seen that video where he's dressed up as Toad.
No. Stone Cold Toad
Austin. Yeah.
You lying?
No, I said on TikTok, Stone Cold Toad Austin.
Nah. I was literally about to switch there. It's like, nah, I can't be asked to play cook.
Fuck off.
You're fucking talking too late. Because I know it's not me.
I'm sure it fucking is like. I'm sure it's Tony Grandpa. Whoa, you see that?
I've just seen Virginia's camel toe.
Fucking hell.
I ding-a-ding.
That's what I suppose.
Bitch.
Wow. You think you fucking know, you dickhead? Is that you?
Sorry.
Is that
Sorry.
you?
Sorry.
I lost on myself.
How could you manage to toss on yourself?
No, I pressed fucking S at the same time as you.
Then so Imogen said that, Imogen was like, oh, so you admitting it now? And then she fucking just screams down the fucking mic, scream, no, I didn't!
Why the fuck is...
What?
Arch and balls. Car battery gate's open, I can't lock it.
There's not a lock on. There's not a lock on! They're opening car battery! Oh my god!
The game just fucking stopped. The game just started, what's going on?
Opening everything!
She's here.
I'm turning off air.
I'm trying to keep her distracted. I've sent 20 away. What the fuck's happened? How are they already here? Oh, she hasn't unlocked the gate though, the fucking tit end. Don't take on me, you dickhead.
Vito, they're fucking rushing us.
But she hasn't thinnied car about your gate though, so it's alright. I'm literally slitting a fucking clit as we speed. Oh yeah, because I missed. What the fuck's going on? Oh, I killed her. Fucking thinning the gate as we speed.
I'm stuck. Move! I'm more important than you.
Go off, you cow.
I thought you were tougher than that.
I'm leaving trouble now.
Right now, Ivan, are you sure he's actually fully gone?
He was on a Seaman car, though.
The Leyland.
Aye. Never seen him once, and even when you fucking done that pallet gate. Well, I'll go back now. Just in case I'm seeing him fucking do the gate or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying for, in case I should, like,
No, he's not here.
move me
He hasn't done
padlock
anything.
to the car battery gate instead. Like, the actual car battery gate to the exit gate. Both me padlocks are still, ungenerated gate, so I could not tell you where he's at. Can I have some more?
Oh, you fucking can't, you fucking greedy bastard.
Why?
Said so.
Why are you just being a dick for, man? Oh, fuck off.
Where is this little bastard?
This is where he could start doing nothing now. He's only a PlayStation player and all.
Hey, you little bastard, come here.
Come here now.
Let me tell you something.
Come here and come play with Grandpa.
Alright, not even I would do that.
Found him! I got him!
Fools, where the fuck? Oh, there he is. Was he just hiding the entire time?
He was AFK.
Oh my fucking god. I'm joking, I'll review that footage, right? And we'll see if he was actually there when I fucking left. If he wasn't, kill myself. I'm not listening for man. Stop.
It's all right. Big boy's gonna be wearing your face soon enough.
Hello?
Killed the Connie.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Texas. That's weird.
Hi, I'm Alicia Veronica. I'm 13 years old
Why?
and I'm a porn star.
Yeah, did you like that?
Yeah, I did not like that.
Nah, I fucking didn't. This is why you're single.
Everybody's time comes eventually.
Sonny's in the basement as well. Yeah, beat him, do it.
You're gonna be leaking after that.
Listen, I don't know what the fuck they went since.
Oh, Kai, someone's in the bush out. Someone's in the bush out. Can you see them?
What are you talking about? Where are you?
Hi, how are ya?
Where the fuck are they?
I don't know. I found no feet to sniff.
We merely should be keeping an eye on gas valve and fuse box.
Keep an eye on. But I ain't seen no feet to sniff.
I have to go in basement. I'm gonna go fucking mental.
I feel like I fucking
go
buy from
basement.
Nickelodeon.
I'm gonna get ya!
You sneaky little bastard!
Where, who is it? I can hear the bitch.
Maria, I sent her in basement.
Sound like a fucking dying chihuahua.
Incapacitated.
Everybody's time comes eventually.
They're hiding in grass. They're bush campers.
Fortnite.
Like Fortnite.
Fortnite, let's go again all night.
Fortnite.
Well, the Maria likes to camp in bushes. And she might have
Scan.
whispered to Grandpa and turned him on.
Come on.
Oh no, she hasn't.
Oh my god.
You silly little girl.
This night's through.
And Zizan.
Hey. I'm back and I like touch up. I'm guessing she's dead.
Oh shit. Kill her! Fucking kill her!
Where was she?
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, she's hiding in the fucking bush over there. No way.
Nobody got caught in my traps. I'm useless, I swear to God, I'm telling ya.
Why are we
Sick
doing
of
this?
this fucking map.
Why are we doing this map?
Sick of this map. Go on, play this map.
We got Big Bogie over here, mate, so watch out.
Who the fuck's Big Bogie?
What's Big Bogie mean? I know Big Bogie
Fuck
is.
Big Bogie, I'll twat him about. He can be, darling.
Yeah, but I think you need to calm down.
Do you want a slice of this pumpkin pie?
Stop! Stop it!
Want a slice of this pumpkin pie? No, I don't.
Shut the fuck up then.
No.
Okay.
Oh my God! Please wake up, Grandma, so I can come in basement even though I'm like 7 foot.
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie? Why is cooking basement like, oh my God?
Just wants to fucking go down a little fucking visit, mate.
Why not now? I'm gonna go in with them.
How about you fucking do it, you dead potato? Serve me pumpkin gooch. But what did you just say?
That?
What did you just say there? I found someone. Sonny. Who the fuck got in my way there? Someone did. It wasn't very. Oh, him.
Oh, I got him! Get out that ladder, you cunt!
Did you see what I saw there? What are you doing? Why are you
Get
punching the
out that
fucking
ladder.
floor?
Get on that ladder now!
You're punching the floor for?
Get on that ladder now!
You're punching
Okay,
the
I'm
floor.
stuck.
I see someone trying to piss around with gas. Okay. Who thinks she fucking is fucking into Goku? Yeah. Oh, there's Virginia. Oh, she's a fucking idiot somewhere. Right, love? She's fucking blinders. I think she's heading towards house, I don't know.
She's gone inside the house.
Alright.
Fucking door now, woman!
Hey, no, I don't
Give
want
us me
There she is.
Stella!
She... No, I got her.
Oh, the truck killed someone and all.
Oh, got her. I fucking got her.
Peekaboo, darling!
Stupid
You
bitch.
wanna slice of this pumpkin pie?
Oh no, I think we need to get that fucking glitch fixed because I just literally got an
What are you looking
arse
at a knickers for, like?
full. The camera did that.
You're dirty little bastard.